Kublai pi barok ngi priang sngop hai pi syaka thup kubor menta ke janmit. Pada shwa bangin pai syaki kubor ki babnya ngin ya pet shwai ki mat bakongsan. Minjur ka kin hun menteri ban thau ya ka search committee na ka benta ka jingthung ya ki san ngut kit khot ha ka expert committee. Minjur ka kin hun menteri ya ka Chief Minister Solar Mission Directorate of Forensic Science bat ka Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission. Ka sorkar jela kan man rakyat ka program bak compare ban hap hadu sanpau hajar hektar ke jaka hapok ka payment for ecosystem service ong menteri rang ba ke jela kongrat ke sangma. Badan kam ban sngotu ya ke jingtmu ban penkela ha ya ke jingkran halor ke reservation policy ong MLA ke Umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdor. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ka jingelang jong ka kinhun menteri ha ka sngi baar kala minjur ban thau ya ka search committee na ka benta ka jingthung ya ki sangut kit khot ha ka expert committee ki ban bishar bania ya ka state reservation policy jong usnam khat khandai spa nyepu ar. Haba pen pau ya hakilat pathai kubor u menteri rang ba ka jela u kongrat ke sangma u loong ba ka sorkar kala rai ba u chief secretary unlong u klidu jong ki laingut kit khot ka search committee ki ban wat ya ki riu shampang ki ban long kit khot jong ka expert committee na ka benta ban bishar bania ya ka reservation policy jong ka jela. Ki wei pat kit khot jong ka search committee ki kentup ya wei na ka tanat an but wei pat na ka tanat personal. Ula benrap da keboong bakat kum ki jiminjur ke expert committee ke day bandon sangut kit khot. Katai ke kenhun menteri kala menjur ru ban penkelai ya ke office memorandum na ka benta ka reservation roster hadin ka jingya mer jingmut lang bat ki wei ki kenhun. Ula ong ba ka jing penrungkam kan sasdang biang.
The government has decided that a chief secretary and one member from the law department and one member from the personnel department, a 3-member committee has been put up as a search committee to look for experts who will be able to then be part of this expert committee. It was recommended that this committee should be a 5-member committee and should have experts from different fields, as was mentioned in the notification. Also, a very important decision today was taken was that the office memo for the reservation roster amendments were put up today to be made in the reservation roster.
Ka kinhun menteri ha kesngi baar kala menjur ya ka Chief Minister Solar Mission ka Tanat Directorate of Forensic Science Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission kila dan ha ka thup ka bahakli ha ka tanat trekam ka office memorandum na ka benta ka reservation roster na lor ka jingthau ya ka search committee na ka benta banthung ya sangut kit khot ka expert committee. Haba pen pau ha kilat pathai khubor u menteri rang ba ka jela u kongrat ke sangma u laong ba ka ne ka jing terwai ya ka ne ka project ka long bandon ya ka sustainable green energy but ru ban ya don menta ha ka ban lum ya ka boarding daki wei pat kilat ki lenti. Habai day bat ka forensic science u laong ba ka don ha ka forensic science cell hapo kita nak trekam jong ki board pulit ka balong shibenta jong ka human rights commission.
Forensic sciences will be created. As you're aware that there is a forensic science cell that works, but it works under the police headquarters. And as per one of the human rights commissions, this particular department or directorate had to be created, which is going to be independent of the PHQ and comes straight under the Home Department. Proposal for to include the Secretary of the Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission in the list of heads of departments under Rule FR and SR 1984. This is a basic purpose to ensure that the Secretary of the Commission is able to, to have all the necessary power to, so that they can conduct normal procedures.
Menteri Rang Ba ke Jela ukon rat ke sang maha ke si baar loong ba ke sorkar Jela kalawan ra ia ke program ba kamper ke banhap hadu sanpau hajar hektar ke jaka hapo ke payment for ecosystem service PES. Ka thong jong ke PES kalong man penek pensa ia ke jingdon jing jong ke mai mariang. Ha ke baki tu ki long ying kin yo jing yarap halor ke jingla jong ki ban penek pensa ia ke jingdon jing ke mai mariang. Haba penpau ha ke jingyalang Menteri Rang Ba uloong ba minta ke sorkar kalaya trailang bat kiwei ki kenhun kenang ban yo yakila jingyada halor kani ke binta. Usang ma ulaya thuru ba ula a jingyarap pisa syakitu ki longyeng ba pher ki badan ha ki binta jong ki jaka klau. Ha katai ke jingyalang Menteri Rang Ba ula penkup burom ru ia ki dor barshnong bat ki civil society organization ki balai don benta ha ka ban penku ia ki wa bat ban ai jingyada ya ka mariang. Ki wei ki mat ki bala penpau ha katai ke jingyalang ki long ke jingmat phang ya ki mascot jong ka natural resource management mai ka hil maina ka pakhnai bat ukla thapsim.
In many sectors and trying to bring a change in them, be it health sector, be it education, be it the environment, be it basic things like capacity building, delivery mechanism, overall monitoring of projects, accountability and timelines.
MLA keseng Kongres na umsning Dr. Celestine Lingdo ulakin tho ya ka jingbamla ban pensyai keseng Voice of the People's Party halor ke jingdon kam ban penkala ya ka reservation policy. Haba penpau ha ke jingelang man penlong dagan ni keseng san perthai ha umsning Ribhoi district ha ke sibaar Dr. Lingdo ulayai ban halor ke jingdon kam ban sngotu halor ke jingtmu ban yakren na ka benta ban penkala ya ka reservation policy. Dr. Lingdo ula penpau ya ke jingbom suya hap halor ke jingsha tangan da unong yalam ke seng VPP bat ubalong ru MLA ke nongkrem uba Arden Basayamot ke balakut klem ke jing pensyai na ke VPP.
Bangin ya syai ngaru ngakersan ya ka jing review ya ka naik polisi ngan sai kendu ikirang ba syirong ngan sai kendu ikiseng balang tambangan nom sa tangan mo nga tengan nom nyale rada ka jing syak tengan bat ngaku laru ba ngan nom hala surok ladang adun kam ban keren ngan khot meeting ku manga khot IP ban yasai ladang adun kam ke jing erap jom kiseng balang ngan khot iki bangin yasai kira ba snong bangin yasai ban ong kane ka clause F jom ke office memorandum ka ong ki kam ki balai hari boy de ban yo swa ki nong boy.
Ka State Commission for Protection of Child Rights SCPCR kala penremjur halor ke jingsha kena thombor da wei ubriu persya yaki khatsan ngot ki kena red kibana West Khasi Hills. I syong kenor ka SCPCR ikong yamon langs iem hinden kesngi ilayathu syakilat pathai khubor baki officer ka District Protection ringkat ki pulit kilawat jingtip shwa syapang katei ke jingja. Ikong yaman lang ila pentip ru ba insalet syakatay ke jaka la syam tayo ringkat ba dikit khot jong ke commission. Syu ila ong ba ka ni ka kubor kala pensyayong ngan ya ki pat ba bat ka long ke ke basngosi shibun haba perkhat ya ki jing bat ki jing shitom jong kitay ki lanon.
We have a number of programs with schools this week. We're really tied up. We have some inspections still, but most likely, hopefully, next week. We're just hoping, because the sooner the better. While it's still fresh, we'd like to meet with all those people. You know? So then maybe we can have a better understanding, and we can perhaps have some clues and reasons as to why. One can never know reasons actually, but one can come to some conclusion that these are the vulnerabilities and how we can best deal with them. And I appeal to all villages that should be aware and be mindful of where the children, keep track of your children.
Shibinta ban rakhe ya ka Environment Week katanat New and Renewable Energy Ke Sarkar India rengkat ke Jingyas Nok Tilang bat ke Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency kalau penlong ia ke seminar halor kumno ban penek pensa ia ke boarding ha State Convention Center. Lakhot lawel sngub haru ia ki kena school ki dorbar shnong bat ki rang ba shnong. La penlong ia kan ke seminar kum shibenta ban pensa priang jingtip syaki kena halor ke kompene ia ke boarding. La ai jingtip ru halor kumno ban pendon kam ia ki tiar kum ki solar energy but renewable energy but ki jingyo jingmentoy na ki. Nalor kan ne la penlong ru ia ke jingyakop draw na ke benta ki kena school. Mentapat ngin yapet ya ke jinglong jingman ke sun meneng ha shilong. Ka jingshit kalong 8.0 degree Celsius but ka jingkriat kalong 4.0 degree Celsius. Ka jingsngem ka hau kalong 9 na ka shispa menstep but kendai puway na ka shispa janmin. Ka jinghap slap kalong 5.r millimeter. Kala bandon ka jinghap slap ka bamalumala hakikat tu ka ni kijaka. Shuawan poi syaka bekut jong ketup kubor ngin yapit biang sashisin yakimat bakongsan. Menjur ke kenhun menteri bantau ya ke search committee naga benta ke jingtung ya kisan ngut kit khot ha ka expert committee. Menjur ke kenhun menteri ya ke chief minister solar mission Directorate of Forensic Science bat ke Meghalaya State Public Service Delivery Commission. Ka Sarkar Jilla Karwan Rakyat ke program berkamper benhap hadu 1,000 hektar ke Jaka hapo ke payment for ecosystem service ong menteri rangba ke Jilla Kongrat ke Sangma. Bat don kam ban sngotu ia ke jingtmu ban penkela ha ke jingekren halor ke reservation policy ong UMLA ke Umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdor. Ti parlok da kitu ki khubor ngila poi syaka bukut jong ketup khubor jengi menta ke janmit hadu benginde syambiang mat pila syai kasngi kublai pi baro.
Habatin pej bahagi kishab kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kum ki vitamin bat ka iron la icon